the word on to indicate a surface or position. On the table, on the floor, on the wall. The book is on the table, right next to the lamp. The cat is lying on the floor near the fireplace. There's a painting on the wall in the living room. To express a state of activity or engagement. On duty, on strike, on vacation. He's on duty this evening, so he'll be at the office. The workers are on strike to demand better pay. We're planning a trip on vacation next month, to refer to time or a specific day, and Monday, on time, on the weekend. The meeting is scheduled on Monday at 10 a.m. She arrived on time just as the event started. I like to relax on the weekend with my family, to show dependence or connection. Depend on, rely on, count on. You can always depend on her for help. I rely on my team to meet the project deadlines. He knows he can count on his friends for support. To indicate a topic or subject. On the subject of, on the matter of, on the topic of. On the subject of food, we have several new options for lunch. One in the committee discussed on the matter of employee benefits. We had an interesting discussion on the topic of artificial intelligence, to refer to clothing or accessories, on a jacket, on a hat, on shoes. She put on a jacket before heading outside, and he wore on a hat to protect himself from the sun. Don't forget to put on your shoes before going out.